Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are shining. Here's teacher Amina with new English lesson. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, now first of all, we will sing a song. Here is a song for you. Okay, are you all ready? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Very good. Okay, now children, see what we are going to learn today. Today, we are going to learn about new letter. Which letter is this? This is letter L. Which letter is this? This is letter L. And what is the sound of letter L? L. What is the sound of letter L? L. Very good. Okay, now everybody say with me. L. 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 Well done. Okay, let's see how many things we can say with the sound of letter L. Wow, look at the beautiful pictures here. Now here is a ladybird. What is this? Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Okay, now look at this picture. This is a lion. Lion. Ladybug, lion. Well done. Okay. Now, wow, here are more pictures for you. Now look at this picture. This is lamp. Lamp. And here, what is this? This is a log. What is this? This is a log. Log. Okay, now look at this. Wow, here are more pictures for you. Now look at this picture. This is a lollipop. Lollipop. Everybody say with me. Lollipop. And what is this? This is a lemon. Lemon. Everybody say with me. Lemon. Well done. Okay, children. My lesson is finished. I hope you will revise this lesson at home. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.